Hey guys, let's make lava cake together. So today is Angelina's name day, and Angelina and me and Juliana talked about making this lava cake together, and we got all the ingredients. We were gonna do it at the same time, and then they ended up eating the chocolate and we never got to do it. So luckily I got tons of chocolate, so I decided since today's Angelina's name day, we're gonna make a special lava cake just for her. So I'm just gonna make one. I have this little thing, and so we're just gonna put in some butter and flour on the inside just so it doesn't stick. So I just got some butter, and so we're just gonna butter the inside of this and along the sides. And then we're gonna take some flour and we're just gonna dust it with some flour also. Okay, so this is the inside of it. So now we're just gonna put this to the side, and we preheated the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna take a half a cup of butter and we're gonna put it inside of a small pot on the stove. So we're gonna start doing that over low heat, and then we're gonna take about like 6 ounces or 170 grams of bittersweet chocolate. We're gonna break this up and throw it in with the butter, and we're gonna stir it over low heat until it all gets blended. So we're gonna just make sure we keep our butter and chocolate over a low heat, and we're just gonna keep stirring it periodically to make sure that it doesn't burn or stick, and that it mixes together and melts and makes a nice chocolate mixture. While that is doing that over the low heat, we're gonna take a mixing bowl and 2 eggs. We're gonna start by putting in the 2 eggs. We're also gonna add in 2 egg yolks, just the yolks. Okay, so then we're gonna take a 1/4 cup of sugar, and we're gonna throw it in with our eggs and our egg yolks. And we're gonna add in 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and then we're gonna take a mixer and we're gonna beat it on a medium speed for like about 3 or 4 minutes. So you want it to be like kind of thick and like a pale yellow color. So once we have it like this, we're gonna add in our chocolate. So you can see we have in the bowl where we had our eggs and sugar and salt and the egg yolks, we added in our butter and chocolate mixture, which we melted over the stove on the low heat. And then we added in the 2 tablespoons of flour. So now we're just combining it, mixing everything together really, really well. And then once we get it fully mixed together, we're gonna put it inside of our little thing and we're gonna bake it in the oven. Okay, so you can see we filled it up almost to the top. We're gonna stick this in the oven for 6 to 8 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out. Okay, so I took some powdered sugar and cocoa powder and I put it on a plate. And now we're going to take our lava cake and we're gonna flip it upside down. Okay, so now this is the tricky part. We're going to, it's a little hot, so just be careful. All right. Slowly cut this out. It's not really cooperating. Get this off. All right, ready? Take that off. All right, so I'm just gonna like dust some more powdered sugar on top. and sort of just like stir it a little bit. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna cut into the lava cake. Here we go. So it might not look the best. I think we caked on a little too much of the butter, but it's our second time making this, so give it a try. All right, moment of truth. It's not about how it looks, it's how it tastes. With this, delicious. 11 out of 10.